We have to recycle, guys.
I'm letting you know now, like 2:30, between 2 and 2:45 really, but I'm saying 2:30. And what we're gonna do is on our way back, we're gonna pick up the flowers, if you still want to do that.
On our way back.
On our way back to, like, to Syracuse. Back to me is back home.
Okay.
On our way to Syracuse, right before we get like to my house, there's a store that we can pick up the flowers, and before we even get back to my house, we're gonna stop on my way to my grandparents.
Oh, okay.
And then scoot up the hill to my parents, well, my dad's, and then get ready. They're gonna bring us to Tori's, and then I don't give a shit.
It's a free for all.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'll just see.
Yeah.
Because I know, like, in Chanel's car,
There's like
it's like some little hump thingy. Yeah, I kind of left it there. Hello. You guys, I'm so hungry, like. But yeah, today I'm back in the car again. We're on another road trip because I know. I recorded last time we were in the car in the last vlog. Once I like edit all of them. And I was going to Boston, and today we're going to Syracuse because we're going to Mayfest. It's like this big little party thingy, but we're mostly going for the concert. So yeah, I don't know, if you're in college, I don't know if like everybody's school has this or whatever, but like towards the end of the year, there's like parties and concerts and stuff, and that we're going to go see Gucci Mane, SZA, and some other DJ, and I'm getting out the car, so I'll be back. Guys, I just made Ashley go all the way over there and throw out her trash. Because you know what? We just can't be recycling out here. Like, I mean, no. We have to recycle, guys. One person, if every person left their trash on the ground, we'll be at like worse than where we are now. Because that's what everybody does now. You know what I'm saying? Like, me. But look, you're still breathing after you threw that out, so I guess we're all alright.
Yeah, but now we're behind a full minute.
Oh, you're so annoying. Anyway, so yeah, we just got Starbucks. I'm not like, hold on, let me put my seatbelt on.
Yeah, because if I slam on the brakes, you going flying. Holy sugar.
Sorry. It wouldn't have even like.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm gonna hold it. So yeah. I want to make sure this thing is focused.
This whole entire time.
I know. I can't even tell when I'm focused or not. But yeah, we got Starbucks because we're ready to go on the road, ready to have some fun. Probably not gonna record the whole time because we're literally gonna be in the car. There's gonna be music. There's nothing really going on. Yeah. But we got. I don't know. What did she got? What'd you get?
Venti iced caramel latte.
Yeah. And it's good. It's pretty good. And I don't drink coffee. I don't like it. And now it's pretty good. I had like a Starbucks gift card. Shout out to Groupon. It's not sponsored, but like I had a gift card. And then I got it's an apple cider, but they call it something fancy. Yeah, it's an apple cider. He was like, it's warmed up apple juice with blah blah blah. Wish I could have made that myself, but yeah, it's really good.
Actually, it's steamed apple juice with caramel drizzle and a little bit of cinnamon.
And then I got we both got sausage, egg, and cheddar cheese sandwiches, and I'm about to eat, and we'll see you guys later. So goodbye.
Okay.
YG. Nah.
Over at Ralph Lauren, it gotta be Ralph Lauren. It can't be Polo Assassin.
But it was nice seeing you.
You residing right now.
Have a good one. Enjoy.
Like this, or just wanna let me down. Oh, I lost you. You know me now. Seeing at me, I don't see myself. Why I can't stay long? Still wish I was comfortable just with myself, but I need you. Said I need you.
Wake up in the morning, 10 o'clock, party, let's all get. I'ma come just to call it. After party, back the party, they should've called it. But I don't love